7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waverly Hall, Oregon, 7 miles east of Hamilton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Talbot Ton, Manchester, Pine Mountain, Waverly Hall, Warm Springs, Woodland, Geneva, Eupatoy, Shiloh, Ellerslie, Juniper, Bogville, Flint Hill, Olive Branch, Pobedi Crossroads, Box Springs, Pleasant Hill, Midland, FD, Roosevelt State Park, and Pine Mountain Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.